In Workamajig, with the accounting features, of course, we need to be able to do all of the typical accounting items, such as journal entries. From your Today page in accounting, if you select the plus sign and then go to journal entry, it's very easy to then create journal entries that are needed for all of your typical accounting items. And of course, with all the journal entries in Workamajig being a posted accounting, you can actually start creating a journal entry, save it, and go about your day if you get interrupted, and it doesn't have to balance yet because it's not actually affecting your financials yet. Once you get it balanced and posted, that's when it's going to affect the financial reports. So giving you a little bit of a break, so to speak, because a lot of times other accounting programs, you have to have it balanced before you can even save it. And many people end up losing work because of a fire coming up and having to make sure that they're attending to other items. So I just simply select. I can choose which of my GL accounts I need to affect. Is this the debit or the credit side? Is it project related, client related, associated with one of our different offices or departments? And of course, making sure if you need to leave a memo, you certainly may. And again, as I start creating this, I can be adding many rows and affecting multiple GL accounts and still be able to save this. Each of these different accounts may not be balanced yet, but they're not going to affect my financials until I actually post them in Workamajig.